7 days, ओनली 7 days रह गया एग्जाम्स को लेकर. आईसीसी का बात करो या फिर आप आईएससी या फिर सीबीएसई का बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशंस को लेकर, ओनली 7 days आर लेफ्ट for the students. If you talk about ICSE, ISC or CBSE board examinations 2020, and till now the final decision has not been finalized. Please understand the mental situation, the mental stress that the students are facing at this particular moment. The examinations which was to be conducted and which was to get over in the month of March, till now it is still pending, and the most important thing that till now we are not sure कि exams होगा या फिर exams cancel होगा, what methodology, on which basis the students are going to be graded, or on which basis the internal assessment or the pre-board marks would be taken into account. What about the CBSE examinations? रोज कोर्ट में virtual meeting हो रहा है, sometimes in the Supreme Court, sometimes in the Bombay High Court. But till now you are not clear with the examinations. When is it going to be conducted? तारीख पे तारीख, as said by some of the students in the comment section. Every day it is getting delayed and delayed. The next hearing is on Wednesday, the next hearing is on Thursday, next hearing is on Friday. Every day the hearing is getting postponed and postponed further. But till now the final decision is not yet finalized. ICSE is waiting for CBSE, and CBSE is not sure what they are going to do, and CBSE is not sure about the examinations. Nobody is taking the final decision, and because of that the students have to suffer. Because of that the students are tensed. जब कोरोना वायरस का केसेस अप्रोक्सीमेटली अराउंड 400 था, उस टाइम एग्जाम्स पोस्टपोन्ड हो गया. उस समय दैट वाज अ गुड डिसीजन दैट वाज मेड. And now at this particular time, at this particular moment when the cases have reached more than 4,41,000, if in this situation if you conduct the examinations, then this is going to be worst decision ever that is going to be made. And really it is going to be very risky, and surely it is going to harm all the students, because around 17 or 18 lakh students overall are going to appear for the examinations. If you include ICSE, ISC, CBSE, all the boards, then approximately around 17 lakh students are going to appear for the examination. If this many students appear for the examinations, then definitely something is going to happen with some of the students and they are going to suffer. And will the council take any risk regarding that? So are you going to take any risk of the student? If anything happens to any particular student, will you take any risk related to the health of the students? I am not criticizing anybody, but this is my request. This is my humble request to Jerry Rathun sir, HRD Minister Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal, and also to the Chief Executive, to Advocate Mr. Arvind Tiwari, and to all the people, all these people who are associated with the examinations, to please cancel the examinations for all the students. And if you make this decision, definitely everybody will appreciate you, because now at this particular time, if the students go to the examination center to give the examinations, and if the examinations are conducted, definitely it is going to be very risky for all the students. I request all of you to please cancel the examination and to make a wise decision regarding the examinations, and to please finalize it quickly. Please make a final decision. Every day we see that it is getting delayed and delayed further, and now the students cannot wait for some more days, because already we see that every day it is getting postponed, and now only 7 days. That means only a week is left now, only 1 week is left now. So this is my humble request to all of you to please cancel the examinations, because definitely it is going to be very risky for all the students. And if you cancel the examination, definitely everyone would appreciate you, and we would be really thankful to all of you. So guys, इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करो, ताकि even the council and all these people come to know regarding the examination, what the students actually want from their side, and what decision they should actually finalize regarding the examination. So please share this video with all your friends and with everyone, so that even the council come to know that the students are really tense regarding the examinations, and we want a quick decision and a wise decision that is to be made for all the students, so that the students' life is not in danger. Had the examinations been cancelled in the month of March only, then you would have already started your preparations for class 11. It is getting delayed, and this is going to be a huge loss for all the students. So it is very important that they should make a final decision, and the next hearing is on 25th of June. मैंने already video बना दिया था, so I hope that they are going to take the final decision on that particular day only, that is Thursday. Hope they don't delay it even more further, because again if they say that the next hearing is on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, now the time is not left. So it is very important that they should quickly make a final decision, and that should be to cancel the examinations for the remaining subjects. Thank you so much for watching.